got 1 cup of flour. I have half a teaspoon of salt. I'm gonna add 1 egg yolk and a half a cup of oil. I'm gonna go ahead and add my oil to this right now. Pie crust for my sweet potato pie that I'm gonna make today. I'm gonna mix the oil up really well with the flour. Okay, that's mixed. I added 1 tablespoon of cold ice water, and I'm gonna go ahead and get the egg yolk. I'm adding 1 egg yolk to it, and I'm gonna mix this up really well for the crust, pie crust. Okay, I just added 1 tablespoon of ice cold water to this, and see how it's coming together really well. So I'm gonna wrap it up in some plastic wrap, and I'm gonna place it in the refrigerator while I work on pie pudding. Okay, the bowl is nice and clean, and I'm just gonna wrap this up and place it in the refrigerator. I have already baked my sweet potatoes, so I'm gonna go ahead and pull them out of the refrigerator right now. Here's my baked potatoes. I need 2½ cups of potatoes, so I'm gonna go ahead and peel them now. I baked the sweet potatoes at 400 degrees for 1 hour. So I'm gonna use the third one here. This should make 2½ cups. And usually these are the size of sweet potatoes I use. I'm gonna go ahead and drop them in the bowl because I know that's about 2. That's gonna make 9-inch pie filling. Gonna add 3 eggs to this. I'm gonna go ahead and mash these up. I'm gonna add 1 can of carnation milk to this. Beat this up. I'm gonna add 1 cup of sugar. I mix that in there really well. One teaspoon of vanilla. Even though I'm giving you the exact measurements, the recipe will be on my website so that you can print it out if you like. So don't worry too much about writing everything down at this point, unless you just want to. 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, 1/4 spoon allspice, 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, and half a teaspoon of salt. That's 2 1/4 teaspoons is a half teaspoon of salt. I'm gonna go ahead and mix this together. 1 stick of butter. This is room temperature butter. So go ahead and add that to it. Okay, everything is mixed up really well in the bowl. So I'm gonna go ahead and take my pie crust out of the refrigerator and go ahead and make my pie crust. I added 4 tablespoons of ice cold water to the dough here. I have 2 pieces of plastic wrap on the counter here. And what I'm gonna do now is go ahead and roll the pie crust out under the plastic here. Dough get too wide on one side, just cut it. Just add it to the crust somewhere else. This area over here need a little bit more, so I'm just gonna add it to that. This side need a little bit more. Add it there. Just remove the plastic and just patch it in. And you just place the plastic back over it and then just roll it out again. If it seems like it's gonna crack a little bit, just press it down, it'll be all right. Always roll from the center out. Got a lot on this end. I'm gonna go ahead and cut some of this off. I'm gonna take a fork and prick the bottom of the crust here so it doesn't swell off at all. I'm gonna go ahead and place it in the oven.